Hey, hello all my DJI drone friends out there. I have a problem with my drone and was hoping to see if you could help me. My controller, this is fairly new. I haven't had it a year yet, but when I push the button to turn it on, and I have charged everything, it's fully charged. But when I push the button, you see the lights light up. When I let go of the button, the lights go out and the controller does not come on. The same thing with my drone. I push the button, the lights come on, but it doesn't do the wiggle and come on. And I've tried the different batteries. The batteries are fully charged. So if I put the battery back in here, and you can see that they're all charged. They're all charged. So the last couple of times I used it, it did kind of act funny. Didn't want to go up to the right altitude and stuff. And but I put it away. And then a couple of days ago I got it out to do something, and all my batteries were dead. These had died. I don't know why. And so I put them all on the charger and charged them overnight, and they all turned full. All the full lights came on. And I tried it, and it wouldn't come on. But not having the drone come on is one thing, but why the controller won't come on either. So it does that, and it doesn't vibrate and stuff like it normally does and come on. So if you have any ideas, please comment down below. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I hope somebody out there can help me. You guys have a great day.